Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry lemon drop. If you guys want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, don't forget to subscribe, give me some thumbs up, share the video, and let's get to the ingredients first. So for this cocktail we're going to need Ketel One Citroen, triple sec, simple syrup, fresh lemon juice, and fresh strawberries. Alright, let's make this drink now. Alright, so we're going to start by adding 3 strawberries into a mixing glass. We're going to add 1 ounce of simple syrup. Alright, now we're going to muddle this. One ounce of fresh lemon juice, half ounce of triple sec, and 2 ounces of Kettle One Citroen. Okay, now we're just gonna add some ice. Alright, now we're gonna shake this. Alright, now we're going to rim a chilled Martini glass with sugar. Alright, we're going to double strain this. And finally we're going to garnish this with a strawberry that we soaked on triple sec.